of rapes, manhandling of ladies. We have also seen the murders that were taking place. And so we wanted to enlighten him about whatever you said in the House of Assembly. I think you should correct your statement. And this is what we wanted to just tell him and offer him flowers, a bouquet of flowers, which actually stands for, it's a symbol of elegance. And in a very graceful way, Congress people, Congress workers had decided to visit his house and hand over the bouquet. But it appears that these people, the people of BJP government, were on roads in large numbers. What we saw, there were, I think, more than 1,000 people. Congress party believes in the principle of Gandhi, that is ahimsa, non-violence. But it was very clear on that day that BJP wants to follow ahimsa, that is violence. And that's why they came in a big number. I don't know what were they trying to pose. Were they trying to pose that we have strength and we can do what we want just because I am a chief minister and it is my constituency? We had gone to his constituency, he should have welcomed us and he should have accepted the bouquet of flowers. In a very graceful manner we went there. But the ruckus that took place on that day is very disheartening. We strongly, in strong words, condemn whatever that happened on that day, and it was nothing but manhandling the ladies of Congress. 3 of our ladies were injured, their clothes were torn, there were bruises on their bodies, and we waited for the reports to come so that everything is prepared with proof. I want to ask the Chief Minister of Goa, who also happens to be the Home Minister of Goa, why did he call more than 400 police personnel at that place? What was the intention? Police personnel came from different areas of North District, Kalangud, Varpai, all not from North District. All constituencies were covered from North District, and all the police personnel were there at that particular moment. We were not in a large number. They must be having the information from the police that how many people were going to come. But on the other side of the road, there were thousands of BJP workers, and led by whom? By the First Lady of Goa. Now, I condemn the act that took place. What was the intention of that whole rally? I don't know of BJP. Why the First Lady of the state had to lead the morcha of more than 1,000 people? I want to ask her. I want to ask her why so many police personnel from different areas were brought and kept to stop a peaceful march. From the crowd that was led by her, it seems they had come there only to create ruckus. Did they want to pounce on us when we were going in a peaceful march? Do they not believe in peace? We the Goans follow we the Goans are very peaceful type of people. We don't know this type of ruckus, which BJP normally, with BJP people normally carry in each and every state before elections. We have seen it for now for 5 years, 7 years from the time BJP is there. Before every election, they try to create fight among the people and try to gain the sympathy votes. But Goans, I appeal to the Goans, I appeal to my people of Goa that they should understand the motive behind this rally that they have carried with thousands of people. We believe BJP party is well known how to make people fight among themselves. This itself shows the mentality of the people. This policy of theirs will not last long. Goa is a state which believes in peace and not in ruckus. In the coming elections, original Goans, not the Bhumiputras, will show them their place. The real girls will show them the place where they stand. The first lady on that day, she said that only 5 people had come. Perhaps, was she not aware? Was she not being briefed? How many people, how many office bearers of Congress had come? Why she had to lead a morcha of thousands of people? Were they scared of Congress? This itself shows that they were scared of Congress people. A handful of Congress people also can face them. And that's why they tried to manhandle our ladies, who were in 30 to 40 numbers. They were all the PCC officers. They tried to manhandle every one of them. They did not allow us. They cordoned the whole area. I do not blame the police personnel, because they were doing their duties, but who should be blamed for this? It is the Home Minister, that is the chief, who is holding that whole, that is the Chief Minister, who is holding that portfolio. He should be blamed for it. Why he had to call all the police personnel from different areas just to stop us? Perhaps he was aware that such type of ruckus was going to take place, and not by Congress people, but perhaps by his people. This information perhaps he had, and that's why he brought all the police force there to stop all of us, which was a very peaceful march. First Lady said that they were, how many people they had? Only, like she showed the hand. I will ask her, I'm asking her the question. Who has taken our people into their government? It is our leaders whom they have abducted. I'm using the word abducted. And maybe many other reasons may be there. They have abducted our MLAs to form the government. And that day, she was trying to show the strength that we have this much strength, when they have abducted our own people, because they did not have the strength of their own. And that's why I strongly, in strong words, I condemn the action of the First Lady. I condemn the action of the Chief Minister, who also happens to be the Home Minister. And I also want to appeal to the people of Goa that, see, BJP government is all out before election for ruckus. Don't try to split the votes of Congress. Be with Congress, because Congress believes in peace. Thank you. On my right side is Advocate Carlos. And sorry, I forgot to introduce you. And Mr. Tulio. Okay, now they will speak.
It is a very sad day when you hear about an assault on a woman. Any woman can be a mother to us, or she can even be a sister or a daughter. And if you look anywhere in your homes, it is the woman who makes a home. So I think any assault on a woman is an assault on every woman. So we must make note of this. If, as the Chief Minister's wife, who is very respectable, says that 5 people came, it shows that 5 people of the Congress makes 1,000 people get up from the BJP. We don't require to have numbers to show, that will show at the ballot box, but it only shows that 5 people could instill so much fear into the BJP, and that's why they had to get so many people to block a very peaceful movement. Secondly, हांव एक इंसानूच होता 5 लोक आशिल्ले जाल्यार आनी ते सायडीन 1000 लोक थंय घडोवन हाडले जाल्यार पुलीस कितें आशिल्लें लॉ एंड ऑर्डर आम समजूं येता लॉ एंड ऑर्डर पूण थिंग वायोलेशन ऑफ डीएम एक्ट आनी 144 जायना पुलीस बेश्टे पळयतले आनी आमी नंबरान येयले जाल्यार आमकां भितर उडोवपाचें आनी तेंकां कांय करपाचें ना आमी डिमांड करतले आतां बीजेपीचेर सरकाराक डिमांड करतले पुलिसेचें एक्शन घेवपाचें either they should book them immediately and take action, otherwise we will go and make sure that every officer who is negligent in his duties, we will make sure that he is brought up by the court. You cannot play double standard. So this is as far as this incident is concerned, and I think it is very wrong. Any citizen, खंयचो citizen, opposition जायत कोण जाय क्रिमिनल पासून जाय तुका रायट आसा तुजे आमदाराक घरा वचपाक तुजे मिनिस्टराक घरा वचपाक नाजाल्यार चीफ मिनिस्टराक घरा वचपाक आनी एक मेमो दिवपाक कसलो ऑफेन्स जाता गेलो जाल्यार घेवपाचें आमी पळयले हांव एक थोडे दीस फाटीं एक केक डिस्ट्रिब्युशन जाल्लें हांव ताका केकोफोनी म्हणटा ताका कित्याक सामकें गडबड जाल्लो थिंगा 2 मिनिस्टर आशिल्ले बरे भशेन केक घेयले आनी एकल्यान पासून हायले थिंगा कितें जालें तिसऱ्यान मातशें लोकां हाडले आनी प्रॉब्लेम केलो थिंगा पूण गेले पिसफुली गेले पिसफुली हायले पासून चीफ मिनिस्टरान बुके घेवपाचो आनी भितर दवरपाचो आयकपाचें आनी सांगपाचें वसात म्हण तुमी कित्याक येतलो भिलो कित्याक इतले पुलीस हाडले बरें तुमगे टेन्शन आशिल्लें तुमकां दिसलें ऑलरेडी नंबर येतले नो प्रॉब्लेम आतां तुमी पुलीस आशिल्ले व्हिडियो आसा प्रूफ आहा आमचे सायडीन कितले लोक आशिल्ले आनी तेंचे सायडीन कितले लोक आशिल्ले तुमी सुओ मोटो रेप विक्टीम येनासतना तुमी एक रेप केस रजिस्टर करतात 144 वायोलेशनाचे तुमी राती वयतात आनी लोकां अरेस्ट करतात फेसबुक पोस्ट पळोवन हे तुमची दोळ्या फुडें जाता तेन्ना तुमी वचनात कोणा अरेस्ट करपाक कोणा भितर उडोवपाक वचनात तुमी So this is clearly double standards and we will not tolerate police being used or misused. I repeat this, every officer, even if he is my friend, should follow the law. So therefore, we will not tolerate this. Our president of the Mahila Mandal will give the memorandum to the DGP demanding an action that the police should follow the law and take it to its logical conclusion, else we will go to court. There is another thing which I wanted to, as far as this topic is concerned, is over. Yesterday the Chief Minister made a statement.
I wanted to make one more statement. I want to ask and request the DGP of Goa to train the police personnel, especially the ladies, how to handle the ladies when they are in protest. Because such type of incident should not take place again and again. Appeal karta DGP की त्यांनी त्यांच्या पुलीस पर्सनल जे बायला पुलीस पर्सनल आसा तांकां ट्रेनिंग दिवपाचे की जेन्ना केन्ना रॅली असता तेन्ना बायलां जी वता रॅली तांकां त्यांनी कशें हँडल करपाचे कित्याक ह्या रॅलीच्या वेळेस दे वर मॅन हँडल बाय द फिमेल लेडीज ओनली पर्सनल आणि the clothes were torn, they had bruises, they had blood coming out from their hands. So this should not happen again because it's election time, there will be more rallies, and so it's the duty of the DGP to train the lady policemen how to handle the ladies.
Can I ask on this topic? Any registered FIR is filed against you? What was the purpose of moving you all into the police?
We are going to give the memorandum to the
No, is there any registered FIR on you?
तुमच्या वेळेस रजिस्टर झाला
अजून तरी आमकां काय नो आय डोंट
आणि एक मॅडम क्वेश्चन आशिल्लो की सीएम त्याचो हांगासर गव्हर्नमेंट बघलो आसा जावं सेक्रेटरीट आसा ते सोडून तुम्ही तिच्या घरा कडेन कित्याक गेले
आम्ही हांगा बी गेले बंगल्याकडे तेन्ना आमकां तो मेळूना आनी तो मेळूना ताका लागून आमी थंय ठरयलें की बाबा
पयलीं
घरा कडेन तेन्ना असेंब्ली जाता
म्हणून हांगा वयता म्हणून काय केन्ना डिक्लेअर करूंक ना तुमी
ना थंय वता ते पळय तेन्ना आमी फक्त यूथ काँग्रेस आनी महिला काँग्रेस आनी एनएसयूएन ऑर्गनायज केल्ले आतां पळय आसा फूल पीसीसीन ऑर्गनायज केल्ले आनी ताका लागून आमी सगळ्यांनी वचपाचें ठरयलें की बाबा केन्ना आमकां मेळूना तेन्ना आमकां तेणी पोलिसांत कोठडींत घातले means they have just arrested us. Detained. They have detained, not arrested, detained. They have detained us for the whole day. So that was the thing. And here they were all well prepared. आणि हांव विचारपाक सोदता चीफ मिनिस्टर अरे तूं राज्य करता तूं इतलो आमच्या काँग्रेस लोकांक भिता इतले कमी लोकांक कसो तुका इतली भंय कित्याक दिसता आमची माझा प्रश्न असा इथले लोक घेऊन आयलो इथले पोलीस पर्सनल लावले आम्ही काय दरोडेखोर का टेररिस्ट का कोण त्याच्या घरावर डाका घालपाक तर गेले नाशिल्ले वी आर पीस लविंग पीपल वी फॉलो गांधीज प्रिन्सिपल्स ऑफ नॉन व्हायलेंस
Women are unsafe in Goa.
that seems to be now during the BJP regime, not during Congress regime. We were trying to protect the ladies as much as we could. So BJP is a ruckus election. I mean, you must have seen in various states also the same thing is happening. West Bengal is done it. You know that recently example.
मॅडम मॅन हँडलिंग कोणी केलं म्हणतो तुम्ही पोलीस और बीजेपी वर्कर्स
Police personnel.
पोलीस फोर्स
तुम्ही
That's
पुढे
why I said BJP should give the training to the police personnel. I don't blame them as such. They have to be blamed because they have manhandlers, ladies of Congress. But at the same time, under whose instructions? Under the instructions of the higher ups, that is Home Ministry. Why so many police personnel from full North district? I have learned that they have come from each and every constituency. कळंगूटचे आशिल्ले, वाळपयचे आशिल्ले, साखळीचे तर आसाच. तुका फक्त साखळीच्या जवळपास जाता आशिल्ले न्ही. आम्ही काय we were not in a large number. We are just very few hundreds of perhaps.
तुम्ही फुडें एक्शन घेवपाचें आशिल्लें तुम्ही म्हणले तेंचे कपडे पिनले तसोच एक NSUIचो भुरगो आशिल्लो तेजेर
तेजेर थापड मारले.
थापड मारले
हय.
सो मागीर फुडें तुमी कितें एक्शन घेतलें तेजे फुडें आयज तुम्ही प्रेस
आज
घेता
आम्ही DJP करता हे देता आणि memorandum वचून.
सो तितून तुम्ही
We have
मेन्शन
asked his
केला
appointment, we have asked his
Yes.
appointment.
Yes, it
Yes,
is
we
there.
have mentioned it.
ऍक्शन घेऊन आलो तर किती पडेल
Hmm?
BJP action घेना जाल्यार पुढे action किती घेता?
Yes, we will explore the legal options. That's what we have also told DGP. If we don't take action within a time frame, we will move the appropriate court for release.
what's the time frame of it?
We have given 15 days because he requires to inquiry. He has to take internal inquiry. He would have to do, and then direct the FIR, whatever, or even disciplinary action.
Do you think that without the knowledge of DGP this has taken place?
See, I will tell you one thing. I can't assume at the moment that it has happened because there are some officers who give direct directions by saying we will handle the situation. It can be at the DYSP level, it can be at an SP level. Probably the DGP may be not even aware. I don't know. I am just giving him the benefit of doubt. I don't want to accuse any politician right now, but I don't believe such type of an action could have taken place without the direction right from top.
तुम्ही आयज सीएमाच्या स्टेटमेंटाचेर हे सगळे उलयता पूण तेन्ना स्टेटमेंट करतना सीएमान एक म्हणलें की पेरंट्साची सुद्दां रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आसूंक जाय एज महिला काँग्रेस तेजेर तुम्ही कितें
I
सांगता
have also already said, I have given my reaction many a times. I said that CM has to introspect. Okay? Whatever, instead of asking the mothers and the parents to introspect, he himself should introspect that there are so many ladies in the city who have to move out at night because of their jobs or because of some emergency. So CM should introspect on that statement, and without introspecting, he just blurted out whatever that he said in the House of Assembly.
I will ask one question if you don't mind. That statement of the Honorable Chief Minister that parents must, of course, we as good parents also want our children to be home early. But I put the question back. Is this a justification for what is happening in Goa? Is this the way you want to defend your flaws and your complete lack of administration or policing? You think about it and you'll get the answer.
एक काँग्रेस म्हणून रात्री सीएमान एक स्टेटमेंट केला की भूमिपुत्र हो जो शब्द असा तो काढता म्हणून त्याच्यावर काँग्रेसचे रिएक्शन केले.
That was very interesting which we saw yesterday. आणि 3 भाग आसा थिंगा. एक तेन सांगला ते नेम चेंज करतो म्हणून. And please look at the official Facebook page of the Chief Minister. It has already changed the name to call it Bhumi Adhikarani. Please look at it. And that is why I have taken an objection to this. Second, inviting suggestions. Then मुळा suggestion invite करतले. For assembling फुडें घातले. And third, it does not cover rented premises. I will answer all these three things. Change of name of a bill is part of the bill. Billaचो नाव पासून part of the bill. तू कसले modification जाय जाल्यार करपाक ती असेंब्ली फुडें परत घालपाक जाय. तू तुगे बेडरूमान चेंज करूंक जायना.
सांगला तुम्ही असेंब्ली घेतात
ना ना असेंब्ली आय
करता
आप चेंज केले न्ही फेसबुकार चेंज जाले न्ही भूमी अधिकारनी बिल म्हणला भूमिपुत्रा कित्याक आयना कित्याक लॉज येता देखो हांव सांगता तुमलो आत लॉज येनाका आसा तशें दवर तुमी आनी सांग तें चेंज करतले म्हण अजून चेंज जालें ना तें फकत चेंज जातलें तूं असेंब्लीन वयत तेन्ना आनी पास जातलें तेन्ना. नंबर 2 इनवायटींग सजेशन्स. तूं सजेशन बिल पास जातलें तूं सजेशन्स इनवायट करता. हांवें काल इंचालें तूं पळय एक बिल आसलो काँग्रेस केन्ना बिल हाडटा तेन्ना गॅझेटीन पब्लिश जातालें बिल येता म्हूण. हें बिल 1-2 विकान उपरांत बिल येता पब्लिश जाता गॅझेटीचेर लोकांक खबर ना आमदाराक कितें खबर आसतलें. सो प्लीज डोंट फॉल इनटू दिस इनवायटींग सजेशन्स. थर्ड इज डज नॉट कवर रेंटेड प्रमायसीस. आयज एक न्यूजपेपराचे फ्रंट पेज आहा डज नॉट कवर. CM assures that it does not. With great respect, don't fool the people on law. Law is not your subject. Don't speak about it. I have already told yesterday, काल सांगला है, there are 2 qualifications to be a Bhumiputra. One is 30 years residence anywhere in Goa. And second part is in occupation of a dwelling unit. Putra in occupation of a dwelling unit. So on 1st April 2019, जालें तूं. आता हांव कितें सांगता ते डेफिनेशन प्रमाणे हो कायद्या भितर हो कायदो डज नॉट अप्लाय फॉर रेंटेड प्रेमायसीस हें उतर ना थिंगा. हांव तुका दाखयता आमचो मुणकार कायदो आसा तुमकां खबर आहा. मुणकार कायद्यान बरयला मुणकार means a person who with the consent of a Bhatkar or person acting or purporting to act on behalf of the Bhatkar lawfully resides with a fixed habitation in a dwelling house with or without obligation to render any services to the Bhatkar and includes a member of a family but does not include 1. A person paying rent to the Bhatkar for the occupation of the house. कायद्या डेफिनेशन क्लियरली म्हणला भाड्यान रावता तो मुणकार जायना. Number 2, domestic servant, chokidar, who's paid wages and who resides in an outhouse, house compound or other portion of his employee's residence, तोय जायना मुणकार. And person employed in a mill, factory, workshop आणि तेय जायना. So please understand, मुणकार कायद्यान क्लियरली दाखयला की कितें आसा दाखोवपाक. सो लोकां मातशें फुडें नाका. आनी हांव एक सांगता तुका तुजे प्रमाणे चेंजीस नाका जाल्यार आनी हो कायदो टेनंटाक येना जाल्यार हांव तुका एक चॅलेंज करता. तुमी बिल पास करता परत वयले जाल्यार असेंब्लीन पास केले जाल्यार चॅलेंज करता हो प्रोविजन काय नाका टू एक्सक्लूड टेनंट. तूं लोकांक सांगता टेनंट येना म्हूण भितर हांव चॅलेंज मारता तुवें डेफिनेशन अमेंड केलें जाल्यार रिजायन जावन येवन वचपा. नेक्स्ट I want to say one more thing. आणि मागीर तूं म्हणनाका हावजान डिसिजन घेयला डोंट रन अवे लायक अ कावर्ड. Politics aside, even Manohar Parrikar would not have done such a thing to finish Goa. And I think that this government is intention. If you look at it, property dealers asat, real estate lobby asat hinga. हे फकत गोंय विकपाक सोदतात. So why should they care for Goa? It is only that's why I appeal to every Goan. Cross every political barrier. Cross every hurdle which may be there. But get together and we shall overcome to protect our beautiful Goa.
One last point, as my colleague Advocate Carlos Papa has already said, the bill today has been approved and passed by the Assembly, and we have not found any provision under the law that an approved and a passed bill in the Assembly can be put in the public domain for objections and suggestions. there is a finality to the approved bill. Whatever the next steps of the bill are a part of the procedural formality as laid down in the Constitution. Where is the question of Chief Minister fooling the people of Goa that he is inviting objections and suggestions on a bill which has been passed by the House? It is a property of the House, and the Chief Minister, I am afraid, has no role to play after the bill has been passed by the House. Let him deny this, that the bill has been passed. Point number 2, from the Congress party, I would like to assure the people of Goa that we will bring much more progressive legislations to sort out certain issues of illegal constructions and other slum development colonies that exist by bringing in redevelopment schemes, resettlement schemes, rather than bringing such symptomatic legislation which is going to not serve any purpose, nor is going to bring in any relief to the average Goans. We condemn the attitude of the government to bring in some piecemeal cosmetic changes now by removing one word and adding one word, and yet keeping a legislation which is basically flawed.
I just want to ask you one question regarding the yesterday's briefing that came. So the opposition has not voted there to hear the bill, and they have not given any suggestion in the House. While opposition leader yesterday said they have met in the FOIA and they have given all this other stuff. Who is lying on this?
See, I'm not an MLA, so I can't answer what has happened in the House. Even if I was pending, sometimes there are certain confidential matters we don't talk. But it is part of a democratic system to protest by walking out. Never been protected. And especially when you don't enjoy the numbers, you protest by walking out. The walking out of all the united opposition is clearly a reflection. It's not one man walked out, everybody walked out. So that is indicative that that was a protest to the passing of the bill. Now, who tells the truth and who tells lies, I cannot sit in judgment over it. But I want to say one thing. All the opposition went out in protest. And giving a new name is old wine in new bottle. Can't change anything.
Thank you.